Hello, welcome everybody to the StellaLife Innovator Series. Today we'll be hearing from Dr. John J. Young Jr. Dr. Young received his degree from New York University College of Dentistry in New York City and completed a general practice residency at Staten Island University Hospital. He then joined his father's general dental practice where he worked for over 30 years. He's been a consultant and treated developmentally disabled children and adults at the Terence Cardinal Cook Health Center for 25 years. In addition to being a fellow with numerous academic and other associations, Dr. Young serves as general chairman of the Greater New York Dental Meeting. Welcome, Dr. Young.
Thank you, Liz. It's great to be here.
Thanks for joining me today. So, I have some questions to ask you, and I'd like you to tell us about the Greater New York Dental Meeting this year.
Oh, well, the Great New York Dental Meeting is one of the largest dental meetings in the country, very well known. We've just celebrated our 100th anniversary, too. So it's always held at the end of November, beginning of December, based on Thanksgiving date. So this year it starts on a Friday, November 28th, and goes until Wednesday, December 3rd. And we're at the Jacob Javits Center on the west side of Manhattan.
Great. So, I guess this is a large meeting then, as it's been done for many years.
Yes, I think we have about 30,000 people last year that registered to come to our meeting.
That's wonderful. Tell us about what new developments attendees can expect at the meeting this year.
Well, as usual, we have free pre-registration, and we also have free CE on the floor too. That'd be Sunday through Wednesday. And we also have available tickets for all our seminars and workshops too. This year on Monday, we're going to have a Broadway show, Monday at lunchtime too. We're going to have
Wow,
the music, yeah, we have the music of Michael Jackson. MJ is the show on Broadway. So we're having actually Broadway actors to perform for us too. And
wow.
then on Tuesday, we're going to have a happy hour on the floor too at the end of the day too. So looking forward to that. We have a new dentist program too that may be of interest too, because we talk about at that program health, wealth, and general well-being too. So it should be interesting for new dentists, that program.
That's great. These are great for all the team members to attend as well, and uh,
Certainly.
courses for hygienists, and all of that too. But I love how we're seeing more presentations about the oral systemic link, as we're learning more about the microbiome, and everything else. Can you elaborate on the oral systemic programs that you'll be offering this year?
Yes. So we're really very lucky this year. We have programs sponsored by AOSH on Tuesday. So that's actually the day we have the happy hour. So you can go to the AOSH programs in the morning and enjoy the rest of the meeting and then go to our happy hour too. But the AOSH programs are very interesting too. I think, oral systemic health is something that's not well covered. It's only beginning to be covered at this point too in dental education and dental meetings. So I'm really very happy to have these programs too. So the first program is with Wilt Wilkerson, and his program is entitled Sleep Apnea, Periodontal Disease, and Arterial Plaque, The Critical Connection. So I think that's really nice because he's bringing in TMJ and chronic pain, things like that, that we're already familiar with, and bring that up to another level too. And so he'll be talking about how to screen and test and manage these problems. They're often overlooked. So that's wonderful for that program. And then later on, we're going to have Wilt Wilkerson back again that day, this time with Laura Hooper. And their course is unveiling the systemic impact of oral health, too. So they're going to talk more about the microbiome involved, too. So it's also a mix of science and with practical things you can do in your office to recognize these patients and start treatment for them.
That's great because we get excited. We go to these programs. I'm a hygienist. I attend
Yeah.
these programs, over 40 years, as well as presented at these programs. You get all excited, and then, you have to have something that you can actually do right away, while the excitement level and everything's fresh in your mind. So I'm a passionate believer in learning more and helping patients, and of course, clinicians learn more about that oral systemic connection as we're learning so much with the ongoing research. So it's like we're learning something new all the time. And we know also now that as we've known for a while, about the connection between dementia, Alzheimer's, and periodontopathogens, and that, systemic inflammatory response,
Yeah.
and how we can actually prevent it and even reverse it. So we are just starting to work with individuals like Dr. Dale Bredesen and with the Apollo protocol that dentists also can, have within their own offices to treat this, very common condition that has affected us all because most of us have friends or family members with this. So I'm so happy that you are, presenting that with these people from the American Academy of Oral and Systemic Health, which I've been a member of for many years. So this is
Yeah.
terrific. So exciting event, but I love the Broadway aspect of it. So
Thank you. Yeah,
yeah,
that same thing, a live dental meeting is so important too, especially for a program like this too, because you come away with practical ideas, what you can do the next day in your office too. But also you meet people who are enthusiastic about it. You also meet people in the audience too, who are also enthusiastic in learning too. So it's a very nice way of meeting others who share the same concerns that you have too. So I like that about live programs too. Is
yes.
you get a lot of enthusiasm, especially the hygienists. I think they are really a very enthusiastic group when they take their education programs too.
Yeah, we are. But I really just take that whole team together. So, and these meetings, particularly your meeting coming up this year, the New York General Dental meeting is going to be excellent. So, I hope that those of you who are listening can check it out and, join us there at this meeting later. So, thank you so
Yeah,
much, Dr. Young.
you're welcome. Yeah, they can go to our
Appreciate
website, Greater New York Dental Meeting, gnydm.com, and it has all the information about the meeting there.
Yeah, and we'll have links as well with this
Great.
posting, so you can click on them and get registered. So, looking forward to seeing everybody there. Thank you again, everybody, for joining us today, and we'll see you on our next series at the StellaLife Innovator Series. Thank you so much.
Thank you.